So, my brother, my sister, as you are watching me, please, I want you to come to a realization that what you have been praying for, what you are waiting for, has already arrived. But how for you to know, or how are you able to know that whatever you have prayed for, whatever you are wishing for, has come near you or is around you? Is the way you utilize your advantage side of the situation you are in. Any situation you are in now, there is at least one single opportunity in that. Any situation you are in, there is at least one advantage side. That is, if you are able to notify, if you are able to see, if you are able to recognize the advantage of the situation you are in, my brother, my sister, you know when to act, you know when to react, you know when to do certain things. Now, don't forget, none of any problem in this world will come for nothing. Any problem in this world has a reason. Any problem in this world have to happen so that there will be an opportunity for someone. I hope you all bear with me that in all circumstances, in all situations, in all difficulties, in all challenges, there is at least a small advantage, a small positive. So many are those that they try to take that and utilize it. And then at the end of the day, it end up well for them. And then they call it opportunity. That is from my side of understanding of opportunity. None of opportunity in this world as we hope for or as we expect will come on our way the way we want it to be. No, there's no such. We all need to have a change of mind. That is first thing. That is the key. Have a change of mind, because the time itself always changes. As it was 12 p.m., it will definitely be at 12 a.m., meaning it has changed from a.m. to p.m. So time itself it keeps. So who are you? Who am I? Do one thing one way. How do you expect positivity from what you do in one way? If you keep doing one thing one way, the same way, don't expect any changes from that, because that is not how the time is supposed to be. You are just wasting the time. You are just wasting the time. You know, if you want to know at least, the little of blessing, if you look at the Hebrews, the meaning of blessing is having a place to put your head, having a roof over your head. Yeah, having a roof over your head, a shelter, a place, or whatever over your head where you can sleep. It means you are blessed. That is the Hebrews meaning of blessing. So, meaning that for some of us who are privileged already to have these blessings, we need to use it. And don't forget, God has given everyone time. And the time God has given you is that when you come to realization, when you have a change of mind, then you realize the time God has given you. So you don't need to keep doing things one way, and expect something good to come out from that. No, my brother, my sister. Try to realize that there is a small situation or part of a huge situation. There is an opportunity. And in every problem, in every situation, there lies an opportunity. How well are you prepared to change your mind towards that opportunity presented to you as a problem or as a situation or as difficulties? You need to have a change of mind. You will be able to utilize that advantage, that problem, that advantage of that situation, that advantage of that, whatever it may be. But if you are not able to realize the positivity of that problem you are in, if you are not able to realize the advantage side of the problem you are in, you will always waste the time. And don't forget that God said to us, He will never let a problem that we cannot handle come upon us. There is no such. So, meaning that the problem you are in, or whatever you may be in, that should be the opportunity for you. Whatever you will find yourself in, let that be the opportunity for you. Many are those of us, we have prayed a lot. We have prayed and fasted, and we feel God has not even heard our prayers or what. We sometimes feel as if our prayers are not being answered, have not been answered or something. But my brother, my sister, maybe God has already answered your prayer. But how well are you able to know that the situation you are in now must be or should be the opportunity for your breakthrough? Have a change of mind, have a change of ideas, and have a change of attitude, have a change of the way you react, have a change of the way you act, have a change of the way you do your things. And there you realize that out of that problem, out of that situation, God has a say. For if you keep doing it one way, if you keep doing it same way, my brother, my sister, don't expect nothing good to come out from that. Thank you. I am Anochi Kweku, aka DJ Bay. For all of this, you can subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Thank you for your time. There are more of this to come. This is the first part of it. I will bring you a whole lot. I will bring you the other one called Why Did God Created You? There is a reason why God created you, my brother, my sister. There is a reason why you were created. Thank you for watching.